All right, so we want to graph with transformations now. So I'm going to show you like a combination of graphing from this section, last section. I think graphing with transformations can be pretty confusing if you just kind of do it straight up. So I'm going to sort of do a combination of the transformation stuff with the table of values and the properties that we've learned. Okay, so here we go. Hold on to this. Okay. So we're going to find the vertex first. Okay, so we're going to find the vertex. I know h is given by negative b over 2a. So this is what we learned in the last section. Okay, so we have a is 1, b is 6, c is 5. All right, we know this is turning up because a is positive. All right, so we're going to plug in negative 6 over 2 times 1. This gives me negative 3. Plug this into the function. We get the k value is negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 5. 9 minus 18 plus 5 gives me negative 9 plus 4, which is negative 4. Okay, so the vertex is at negative 3 and negative 4. All right, so we can write, now we can write this in vertex form. Okay, so we can write the function. So in vertex form of the function is ax minus h squared plus k. So my a value is 1. This is x minus negative 3, which makes it x plus 3 squared. And then the k is straight up, so minus 4. Okay, so that's kind of the vertex form. So you go, oh yeah, it shifted left 3 units and down 4 units. Okay, now if you're comfortable, you can go straight there. You go, okay, so let me put my vertex here and then draw the graph. Okay, but if you need a little bit of extra help, you can do a table of values. Okay, so we're going to have y equals x plus 3 squared minus 4. I want you to put the middle value in your table should be your vertex. Okay, so you're going to take your vertex, negative 3, negative 4. That's the middle value. Okay, then you're going to pick two values that are bigger, negative 2, negative 1, and two values that are smaller, negative 4 and negative 5. All right, so plug in the two bigger values. So we have in here, we have negative 2 plus 3 squared minus 4. This is 1 squared minus 4, which gives me negative 3. Right? Because the parabola is symmetric, if you go 1 unit more and 1 unit less, you should get the same value. So this is also negative 3 without having to plug it. All right? Now let's plug in negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 squared minus 4 gives me 2 squared minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, same, the symmetry. 2 units up and then 2 units down. This is also going to be 0. Alright, so we have our vertex, which is a negative 3, 4, negative 4. Then we have negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4, negative 3. See the symmetry. And we have negative 1, 0. And then we have negative 5, 0. Again, the symmetry. Okay, so we have our parabola goes like this. Okay, so we used the vertex, right? And that helps us make a table with the vertex in the middle. We want to put the vertex in the middle. Pick a couple of values bigger, a couple smaller. Only plug in the bigger values and copy them to the smaller values, and that will give you a graph. All right, but you don't have to take this many steps. I think most people are most comfortable with this many steps. Usually what I do, I find a vertex, and from there I go 1 up, 4 up, and you can sort of do it in your head, but that's just once you get more comfortable with it.